Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer question from the chapter binomial theorem. So from this chapter we are going to get two long answer questions. Out of two, one question is compulsory from infinite series problem. So this is one of the infinite series problem. So question is, if x equals to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus so on up to infinite, then prove that 9x square plus 24x equals to 11. So by using this equation we have to prove this one. Let's write the given equation first. Given that x equals to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus so on up to infinite. Now try to remind a formula for this infinite series. So this infinite series can be converted to binomial with a rational index. So what is the suitable formula? Let us remind one formula here, infinite series. When I saw here plus between the terms, we have given plus now. So I need to remind this formula. Formula 1 plus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus so on up to infinite. So for this infinite series, the suitable binomial is 1 minus capital X whole power minus p by q is the formula. Now compare the given infinite series with the formula. So I think if I compare this infinite series with this formula, the given series has been started with p into p plus q by 2 factorial, p into p plus q, p into p plus q into p plus 2q. So p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square. Started with this term. That means first two terms are missing here. 1 plus p by 1 into x by q is missing. So we have to create, before we write this binomial, we have to create these two terms. So how can I create? So I am adding. So adding, which term we have to add? 1 plus p by 1. I can observe 1 is the p. So p by 1 means 1 by 1 into x by q. So try to guess x by q. In general, we used to keep 3 aside because the denominator, each denominator is the multiples, involved multiples of 3. So I need to keep 3 aside. In denominator means 1 by 3 aside. Overall, we have to keep 1 by 3 aside. That 1 by 3 will be treated as x by q. So x by q is nothing but 1 by 3. So this is the term we need to add on both sides so that the given infinite series changes into formula form. So which term we need to add? 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 on both sides. So let me add this term on LHS. 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus x equals to, on RHS, 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus remaining two terms we have to write same. 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus so on up to infinite. Now 1 plus, this we can simplify. This we can write simply 1 by 3 because need not to worry about formula on LHS. We have formula, we should think about RHS only. Plus x equals to, now convert this infinite series into exactly into the form of this formula. 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by, we wanted to keep 3 aside from each term of the denominator. So after keeping 3 aside, from 3 into 1, So 6 is nothing but 3 into 2. So we kept 3 into 3, 3 square aside. 3 square aside. So this become 1 by 3 whole square. Nothing is there in numerator, means you can give 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by. After keeping 3 aside from each and every term of the denominator, we will be leaving 1 into 2 into 3. Now 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. In denominator 3 cube means 1 by 3 whole cube, it can be written as, so on up to infinite. Now 1 plus 1 by 3, we can simplify this part. 3 is the LCM, 3 plus 1. Just like cross multiply, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1. Plus x equals to 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 can be written as 2 factorial into 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by, this is 3 factorial into 1 by 3 whole cube plus so on up to infinite. Now RHS is in the form of, exactly in the form of formula we have planned. 1 plus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus so on up to infinite. So comparing this series with the formula, we are going to get a p value, where p is equals to, what is p? 1, p value 1. Next p plus q, 3, p plus q is equals to 3. Next x by q 1 by 3. Okay, on comparison we will get these 3 values. Now by substituting p value here, we can find q value. P value 1 plus q is equals to 3. So q is equals to 3 minus 1. So q value 2. So we got to q value. Next, by substituting q value here, we can find x by 2 equals to 3. So sorry, 1 by 3. This is x by q is 1 by 3 now. X by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. X is equals to become divided by 2 on shifting, it become into 2. So 2 by 3. X value we got 2 by 3. Now by having p, q, x, I can write this infinite series in the form of binomial. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3 plus x equals to, is nothing but 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus capital X whole power minus p by q. Okay. So now by substituting p, q and capital X values, we can proceed the further simplification.